Hi Mike and Sarah, once again, I'm sorry to bother you guys, but I wanted to show you something. Kind of had this general conversation before, but I wanted to be more clear. This is the bed, right? We talked about this before, that whoever installed these beds, as you can see as it goes down the line, it didn't take account of the fact that you need to have the foundation exposed. And what I wanted to show you was how deep these beds go before they reach the thing. So as you can see, this is about 5 or 6 inches. As you can see, as I go down right here, this right here where you see me pointing at the end is actually not the foundation, it's the brick. That's brick right there. There is the foundation below. And the only way I can show you how deep that is, it's about, you look, you guys are probably irritated for having to watch all this, but so you can see that it's at least 6 to 7 inches below the line. Now the good thing is this right here. This right here is the weep hole for the wall, which allows the wall to breathe. So here's what we're going to do. We're not going to put rocks all the way down in here next to this line here where the brick meets the foundation. We're going to put them to right here. So the weep holes are still, the breathing apparatus for the wall is still exposed and not covered, but it's about right here. So you'll still have about 3 to 4 inches deep of rock. But if we go any deeper, then this bed line will basically, we would have to excavate the bed. And we're not going to do that because the root systems for these plants is not deep enough to accommodate us digging out all of that dirt. So I know that you're thinking, why all this detail? Or maybe not. Maybe you're not thinking that. The bottom line is whoever built this place did not account for that fact. I'm just shocked that they would put so much above the foundation. But as you can imagine, if we excavate 6 inches all the way down and then 1 foot wide all the way down, even if we do put the edge and the rock, no one would see it. You can see right here, these roots are already exposed and we haven't even dug below the ground. We can't do that. We'll end up killing all these plants here. So you guys, hopefully you'll trust me and this will be taken care of. Your weep holes won't be covered. The walls will still breathe appropriately. Optimally, your bed line would not exceed much higher than the foundation. But in this case, it's going to be impossible to remove unless you wanted to remove all of it. So anyway, I wanted to let you guys know that. I wanted you to see it so we can kind of have a record of what we're doing before we do it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to call. All right, bye.